Comment espionner un WhatsApp? Comment espionner un compte WhatsApp? Espionner les messages WhatsApp sans logiciel.
Hello everybody, in this video we show you how to spy a conversation on WhatsApp, how to effectively spy a conversation on WhatsApp without any weird tricks like you don't have to go on the victim phone and connect it to your computer through WhatsApp web. We don't have to download and install some weird softwares on the victim phones. So you have just to. This is quite a unique method. This method you will not find it anywhere else. And I've done it for 3-4 times and it worked. My friends done it and it worked. I spied 3-4 people, and now I will show you how it works. So first of all, I have to say that this method is completely free. How to spy WhatsApp is completely free, and also you have to do this method through a phone or tablet like Android or iPhone or an iPad, or other tablets or phones. But you don't have to do this method through a computer because it doesn't work. And after some minutes you will understand why. So first of all, we have to connect to this website, spiawhatsapp.club. Read it correctly, spiawhatsapp.club, and click go, and we will be redirected to this website. In this website there are some reviews. I checked them. People are saying that it works. I can say that it works because I tried it. If you follow these steps correctly, you will know how to spy a phone, and this method works 100% secure. So let's get started. First of all, we have to choose the flag, because we have to put the number of the victim and we have to choose where the victim is. So the victim that I want to spy has an Italian number, so I put an Italian number. Then we should put, if the victim has a friend's number, just put a friend's number, UK number or user number, or Norwegian, just put the correct flag. Now we have to put the number. Right. All right. Now click on connect. When we click on connect, the system verifies if the phone, the telephone is connected and is not turned off. If the phone is turned off, just try it again in a few hours. Connecting. Now it's checking if the phone is not off but is on. Hopefully is on. Alright, connected. So the phone is on. So now we have to choose what we want to spy: texts, messages, images, or videos. So this is the best advice that you can get. Don't untick images and videos. This is because download all the images and the videos of a phone requires a lot of time, a lot of sources, a lot of free space in your phone, a lot of internet. So it will just be a useful waste of time and resources. It would take ages. So just click on text. We want to spy text, just click on text. It will just take few minutes, 10 to 20 minutes to download all the texts, even less, sometimes 5 minutes. So don't worry about it, just click on texts and we will spy all the conversation of that phone. Click on spy now. Processing your spy request, please wait. Just hold on, guys. I repeat, you have to do this through a phone, an Android, and a tablet. And this method is completely free. You don't have to pay nothing. Congratulations, all messages are available. In the case that the website says that unfortunately the messages are not available, just repeat in a few hours. That means that maybe something didn't work as it should. So just repeat in a few hours, after a few hours. Now it says, due to an unusual amount of spy requests, users are now required to complete a brief human verification process. So this means that we have to verify that we are a human. Why? Because a lot of people now are fooling the system, and they developed an automatic, some bots, some robots, automatic software that this is completely automatic. And the people that the people that own this method didn't want that, obviously, for obvious reason. So now that wants us to verify that we are human. Click on verification. Okay, all right. These are the most important steps. So pay attention, please. If you follow these steps correctly, you will spy the victim 100% sure. This method works. So, what we have to do, we have to follow the instruction. Read better VPN Pro, but I have to do something. You may don't have the same apps, the same games that I have here. So just do what I tell you, and what the instruction says. In this case, I have to download these games. You see, I have 4 games, and these games are popular, free. Let's show you. I will see. For example, this is for the most popular games. It has millions of downloads. People like this game. We have just to install it. So I will show you how. Follow these steps. First of all, you have to click on the first app, install it, and run it for 40 seconds. You see? You don't have to buy in-app purchases. You don't have to spend money buying premium things. Just download it free and run it and connect and run it for 40 seconds. Then you go back and do the same thing with the second game. Same thing with the third game. Same thing with the fourth game. Sometimes ask you to just sign up to some websites, do it, confirm your email, and it's the same thing. So this is how it works. I showed you how it works, and this method works 100% sure. So if it doesn't work for you, just check the video again, see the video again, and follow the steps correctly. And if it doesn't work again, just post a comment here. I will try to help you as best as I can. This method works. My friend said that it works. I done it for 3-4 times. So this method works. I hope that you do whatever you like. So let's see in next video.
Espionner WhatsApp iPhone. Espionner WhatsApp Android. Comment espionner un compte WhatsApp gratuitement? Espionner WhatsApp à distance.